Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to restore deleted contacts from iCloud. Let's have a look. For this video I am using iPhone 17 and iOS 26. Before start, check that your iPhone contacts syncing to iCloud. To do this, open Settings app, scroll down and tap iCloud. Tap See All beside Selected to iCloud and make sure the Contacts option should have a green toggle button next to it. Now let's delete some contacts. Open Phone app, go to Contacts. You can delete multiple contacts together. When contacts are deleted, open Safari app, go to iCloud.com and log in with your Apple ID that you are using on your iPhone. From iCloud dashboard, tap multiple dots on top right and tap Data Recovery. Scroll down and tap Restore Contacts. Now choose the option for Restore Contacts. You will see any previous archives, which are various of the contacts list as it was before you deleted some. Here I will see the last archive for my phone was today 5:29 am. Tap Restore button beside the archive. Contacts restored. Tap OK. Now close Safari and go back to Contacts. Here you will see all your deleted contacts restored. So these are the steps to restore deleted contacts from iCloud.